Insert Minicam and would dowel into each hole on the board 3 and 4. Then, insert minifix into each hole on the board 11, 12, 13, 14. Next, attach it with board 3 and board 4 and tighten the minicam. Then, screw slide drawer by using CSKM 3.5x 12mm and CSKM 3x 12mm. Insert minifix into each hole on the board 3 and board 4. Insert minicam and would dowel into each hole on the board 18. Then, screw slide drawer on the board 18 by using CSKM 3 and CSKM 3.5. Insert minicam and would dowel into each hole on the board 2. Then attach board 19 at the bottom of board 2 by using Allen key and JCB-CM 6x35mm. Attach board 18 in the middle of board 2. Then screw it by using capwood screw. Attach board 3, then tighten the minicam. Insert minicam into each hole on the board 16, then attach it with board 3 and 4. Tighten the minicam. Insert minifix into each hole on the board 1. Then, attach board 21, then screw it by using CSK-M 4x38mm. Attach board 1 as the top of the cabinet, then tighten the minicam. One is the top of the cabinet, then attach board 1 is the top of the cabinet, then tighten the minicam. Next, attach board 10 and 17 as the back of the cabinet. Tap the nail by using a hammer. Insert nail leg at the bottom of the cabinet, board 11, 12, 13, 14, 19. Insert wood dowel into each hole on the board 15. Then, insert minicam and wood dowel into each hole on the board 6 and 7. Insert minifix into each hole on the board 5 and 20. Attach boards 6 and 7, then tighten the minicam. Insert board 15. Then, attach board 9. Screw by using CSK-M 4x38mm. Screw slide drawer by using CSKM 3 and CSKM 3.5. Screw handle by using handle screw. Done.